here is an interesting little scan that operators on the shop floor can use to display all the upcoming jobs for today or this week. Now, this is entirely optional, but if you want to schedule jobs for operators to allow them to see the upcoming jobs, this might be a solution for you. Now, if you want to repeat this little experiment, start by going to the Home All Views and choose Projects to display the Projects page. You might also consider displaying the Start Date and Assign to Users columns. You will also need the Scan Barcodes page because we're going to scan a couple of barcodes that will show you the upcoming jobs. Now, in the projects page, it turns out that you can assign a start date and users to jobs. You'll see the properties on the right-hand side here. In this column, you'll see the starting dates for all of these jobs. You can also go over and filter by today to see all of the jobs that are coming up for today or this week. I'm going to remove the filtering so that I see them all, but these are the same jobs that will come up when I scan these special barcodes. So let's go over to the Scan Barcodes and scan the jobs today. Up comes a list of all the jobs that are to start today. They will be in order of the dates that they are assigned or the times. And then scan jobs this week. Again, you see the pop-up that shows all of the jobs that are for this week. So that is a real nice little way for you to communicate the jobs that you want employees to work on today and this week. Very nice little feature. It is optional, but you might consider giving it a try.